everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga Awafani. Hey guys, kuba shubeleke osabelo no xoli. This one is going to happen from Monday to Friday the 9th to the 13th of March 2026. On Monday, Tsunami's memory returns, as does his thirsty for revengeance. Thembi initiates attract undesired effect. Star's organic food proves rewarding on Tuesday. Tsunami shocks everyone when he chooses X to take over Binga, igniting clash with Sabelo and Xoli. Thembi's launch gains momentum until protest threaten everything. Star's cooking hustle grows along with television tension in Ntombi's household. As the bills pile up, Sugar Basin makes a bold move towards marriage on Wednesday. Tsunami plays a dangerous game, but by sending only steamy reminders from the past and forces her to lie to Sabelo. Chaos erupts at Diva Vibes when Petron accuses the bar lady of watering down drinks, and Kehla schemes for his share of the infamous launch on Thursday. Sabelo and Xoli are completely unsettled by Tsunami's behavior. Xoli believes she is being taunted. Thembi and Sugar Basin get a confirmation that there is something wrong with the alcohol. Star's healthy meal with organic ingredients comes with good and bad things all together on Friday. When it's raining, pause for Thembi as her troubles pile up. Kehla wins the scuffing of competition. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.